Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Pratiksha Sharma and I am a student here at University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth. I know so many of you are concerned regarding the new rules and regulations under the new administration. But don't worry. हजुरहरूले चिन्ता गर्नेको केही कुरा छैन. I'm here to quickly guide you through some work opportunities that you can apply as an international student. So, let's start. Firstly, we have on-campus jobs. As an international student, you can apply to your university for on-campus jobs such as the library assistant, your RA, or even in your cafeterias. But for that, keep your resume ready. Also remember, as an international student, you can only work up to 20 hours per week during your semester and up to 40 hours during your breaks. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज सीपीटी और इन्टर्नशिप. यदि हजुरहरूले आफ्नो युनिभर्सिटीमा 1 एकाडेमिक इयर कम्प्लिट गर्नुहुन्छ भने हजुरहरूले इन्टर्नशिपको लागि अप्लाई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. समरमा चाहिँ हजुरले फुल टाइम अथवा सेमेस्टरमा पार्ट टाइम इन्टर्नशिपको लागि अप्लाई गरेर काम गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. तर हजुरहरूले याद गर्न पर्ने हुन्छ कि यो इन्टर्नशिपको एप्लिकेसन शुड अलाइन विथ द फिल्ड अफ योर स्टडी.
Last but not the least, as an international student myself, I'd personally recommend you guys not to worry too much, but rather focus on maintaining your F1 visa status by following all the rules and regulations. Thank you so much for watching this video and good luck.
As you can see, the genuine international student can easily manage their entire expenses by working just legally within the US regulations. US has always been the top destinations for international students, and yet it hasn't been changed. The new administration is mainly focusing on the illegal practice, not the genuine and the legal students. So if studying in the US is your dream, then don't hold back. Contact us today and take the first step towards your future.